Hello everybody. Let's have a look at the things that we did last time we met. One of you had to leave early, so I'm going to try to use the kind of project he wants to do as an example, so he has a chance to catch up. So let's start with Google Drive. I have one folder here for my website content, for what I'll be using as an example. And you make a new file, okay? You start out with a new file. And the first one I'll be making, I'm going to call homepage, okay? That is going to be the first page we're going to see in the browser. So homepage, and here need you to be putting all the things you want to see on the first site. Okay, I personally like the sites to be landscape because it feels more like a browser, but that's just my preference. So he wanted to make a site about owls, so I'm going to start with a big headline here, like so, okay? And then you might want to write some text here. Maybe you have some things to say about owls. I do not have the time or the expertise to go into things about owls, so I will just be copying some blind text into this, okay? But you would of course be using your research or whatever you want to put here. Okay, so this comes out as 8, it's a bit too small. Okay, just imagine this is some text about owls that you want to put on the on your homepage, and let's say you want to put some images there as well. You can copy them into the document if you wish. This always takes a second. There we go. If you do this, if you do put documents in there, make sure that you put the links for the image with it, so that I don't have to go hunting it down when it comes time to actually put it on the website. Okay, so there we go. There's my first image, and let's say I want to put another one there as well. Here, remember the search tools, usage rights. You want to have images that are labeled for non-commercial reuse. How about, this one is very big. I would stick with something that is less than 1,000 pixels. There, this one is not bad. Okay. So let's copy this as well. Put it in there, and while it loads, I go and I copy the link of the image. Copy image URL. There. Maybe make this a little smaller. There. Okay. So something like this could be enough to put on a homepage, okay, that you're going to be doing for this class. Remember, this is supposed to be not like a very big project, okay? We want to keep this nice and small. So there's my homepage done. Now I want to, let's say I want to make some more pages about owls, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this one Owl 1, and let's say I want to put some information in bullet points on there. Okay, so there's some bullet points. Again, this is a bit small there. Okay, okay, let's say owl number 1 looks like this, for instance. Okay, so I copy the image, I put it up here. While this is loading, we can put this, kick this over into landscape real quick. And let's say I'm going to put a little bit of text with it as well. There, one little paragraph. Boom. Oops. Done. Okay. So okay, here's owl number 1. And, you know, honestly, this could be enough. Maybe, you know, you want to put some links in here. So let's say I found a site here that had a little bit about owls. You could make a section here and say links, right? And then you could just copy some links. There's another one that looks interesting. The San Diego Zoo has a site about the great horned owl. Okay, so let's copy this one as well. So there's some links. So now we have a home page, we have owl 1. Let's just, to save some time here, I'm just going to make a copy of this document and make another one. And then we're just going to pretend that I just made 3 different sites, 3 different pages, and I'm just going to rename this. So you can make as many as you like here, that's totally up to you. So when you have done all of this, then you move on to the next step, and I'll put this into the next video.